Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TV has an open HDMI port and that the Xbox is on a stable surface with vents unobstructed. Plug the included power cable into the console and a grounded outlet so the unit can draw stable current. This prevents shutdowns. Once power is connected, press the Xbox button to wake the console. Make sure the TV is on the correct input next. This ensures the signal route is established, and you'll see video when you connect HDMI. Now connect the HDMI cable from the Xbox HDMI OUT port to the TV's HDMI in. Use the HDMI 2. One cable for 4K at 120Hz or VRR, HDMI 2. 0 is fine for 4K at 60Hz, so choose accordingly. Once plugged in, change the TV input to the matching HDMI number. If you have multiple ports, label helps. Make sure to enable the TV's game mode to reduce input lag. And if offered, enable HDMI UHD color or HDR for the best picture fidelity. Finish by following the Xbox display setup to pick resolution, HDR, and refresh rate so the picture matches your TV's capabilities. If there's no signal, make sure cables are fully seated and try a different HDMI port or cable. Bad cables or wrong ports are the usual culprits. Also power cycle both devices by unplugging for 10 seconds, then restart. If problems persist, update the console and TV firmware. Compatibility fixes often arrive via updates and resolve handshake errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.